everyone, this is my case study on scabies. A 42-year-old homeless man presents to the ER during a humid heat wave complaining of itchiness between his fingers, wrists, inner elbows, armpits, and around his waist. He explains that he lives in a crowded shelter nearby. Upon assessment of these itchy areas, the clinician observes erythema, inflammation, small vesicles, and small light brown lines. Based on his physical presentation and history, he is diagnosed with scabies, a parasitic skin infection. He's prescribed permethrin 5% topical cream and is advised to apply it once today and again in 1 week. The clinician also consults social work to find housing for him in the interim. It is also considered to have them set up mass drug administration of everyone in the shelter due to the likelihood of widespread transmission and reinfection.